Yo, good morning. We back again, Poke fam. Pack a day every day, day number 418. And we keep going with this Prismatic Evolution. Y'all see, we got an SIR Palafin. Let's see if we can get that again. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, we'll give the instructions to be a part of the 8 giveaway binders. Yes, family, I'm giving away 8 binders, all from pack-a-days, unboxings, and all that great stuff. And if you guys do need top loaders and sleeves, check the tag in the video to get y'all a combination of sleeves and top loaders to protect your cards, or if you just want separate sleeves and top loaders, the tag is in the video. Now let's get to the pack a day. Let's go, family. Appreciate it. Everybody doing this Monday, good old back to work week. Get this chili, get them increments. Oh yes, let's see if we can get, hey, we got an Umbreon. Let's see if we can get that Espeon right there, family. Hey, it would be nice if we can get an Umbreon again. That would be fire. Or another Palafin. You already know. No God pack. It's cool though. QR code for the family. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Gone. Alrighty. Let's go. We have a Pupitar Eevee, one of my favorites of all time. Execute. Larry Skill. Earthen Vessel. Bug Catching Set. Prior. Dunsprees. Cottony. Nothing. And then a Whimsicott. So we didn't get nothing today on 418. I thought we had something, but it's fine. Hey, you win some, you lose some. Love this beautiful Palafin right here. Fire. I would love to get a second one. We can throw that into the binder. That would be nice. Like I said, we is doing the master set of Prismatic Evolution. So anything that we don't have, we will add it to our master set binder. Anything we have doubles, add to the giveaway binder. Now, let's get an update. Move that over to the side of my personal Lucario binder. And like I said, family, giving away 8 binders, everything out of my Lucario binder, from pack-a-days, unboxings, EX boxes, booster boxes, just stuff that we open along the way throughout the days. So let's check it out. And like I said, once the binder is filled, which we almost there, we will do the giveaway, and most likely it will be on a weekend. So let's get it. And the reason why I say weekend, because a lot of people is off, so hopefully we're going to do it live. And if you missed the live, you can go back and watch the rebroadcast. Just in case if you win, I will have my information in the description so you guys can contact me and get your binders. So let's go. So we have trainers, EXs, Apexes, full arts, alt arts, reverse hollows, V's, shinies, rainbow borders, promo cards, full arts, Pokeballs, different Master Balls, different promos from, the Suicune from the knockout boxes. We have promo cards from Ascended Heroes, which is the test stickers. So just all different types of stuff, family, that we open up. All some good, beautiful illustrations. Man, can't wait for the family to be able to, when we do this giveaway, y'all enjoy y'all binders. If y'all give it to your kids, your nephews, nieces, hey, your grandmas, your wife, whoever collects Pokemon, or even you, I appreciate you, and I hope you do enjoy your binder and get to add to it. And like I say, if you guys do get your binder, y'all can make a video, do a picture, and I'll post it up in the community section. Or just like how I'm doing a video right now, I'll make a video of you guys. Just send me in your binder showing that y'all opened it, enjoyed it, and we'll make a video of it, of the fame. Like I said, it's not a me channel, this is a we channel. So let's get it. Appreciate all the love and support. Here you go, different Pokeballs right there. Look at that Dugong from Phantasm Flames. I love this. This Ninja Axe, fire. That Roku, promos. You can tell shiny borders on the side, that's why they're promos. Fire. I'm just loving these pieces right here. Loving this Wigglytuff. All the different Wigglytuff. It looked like a choir, right, with the Wigglytuff? No, if y'all was in school, if you ever joined the choir, Or, you know the movie scene with the pig? That reminds me of that, family. Fire, though. Beautiful art illustration. We do have 10 of these, so everybody will get one of these, and then 2 binders probably will get double up to those, or, you know, we'll figure it out. More shinies right there. Check it out, check it out. There we go. Different Pokeballs. Love, you know, my dog Rito. Bag Rito. You feel me? Rito. That Palafin. The other Palafin. You feel me? Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the Psychic Balls. Electric, Fighting, Leaf, Water, Milk Tank. Roll out! If you know, you know. If you play Gold and Silver, Milk Tank was a man. Tell man, oh man. Can't wait to get my Gold and Silver back in. Fire, fire. Look at the illustration works. Good art detail, family. Flareon, the Tyranitar, Master Ball, Espeon. There you go. You can see the M right there. Sometimes you gotta like kind of hold it up so you can see because the glare. And this is where we left off. We pulled that yesterday. So let's count the pages. This is pretty much one full page. 1 to 2 right there. And then 2.5. So this last page, once this last page get filled, we'll be doing a giveaway. Now, for the instructions and the list, salute to all the family members, the whole Poke Squad that made it to the list so far. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Like I said, check out the list. That's the first page of the board. Here go the second, the back of the board. Going a little slow, so if you don't see your name on here, we still got slots left. We got 2 slots left on this board. And then we have another 27 slots. So, and be a part of the giveaway. If you're new to the family, welcome. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Hype any video you choose to, and like any video you want to. Put your name in the comment section, or put your favorite Pokemon in the comment section, and I will gladly add your name to the list, and welcome to the fam. And if you're already part of the family, all you gotta do is like any video, hype any video, put your name in the comment section or your favorite Pokemon, and I will add your name to the list. Working on 2,000 subs and better, family. Wouldn't have got this far if it wasn't for the whole squad. So thank y'all so much. We get in there. Ultimate goal, 1,000,000 subs. Get it? But slowly but surely, what they say, having little motion is better than no motion. You feel me? So let's get to it. So we didn't hit today, but it's okay. Tomorrow I got a feeling we'll pull something in our other packs. So you know our motto. Gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. Y'all stay safe out there playing y'all Pokemon Go. I'm hearing this great events all the way to the 30th. Go and catch them all. Get that work day going. Get that chili. Get them increments up. And let's get it, family. Appreciate all our support. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Peace.